India has announced the all-new Creta SUV has received more than 45,000 bookings since its launch in March 2020. The demand for the SUV continues to increase despite the ongoing pandemic. The announcement of achieving the new milestone by the company was announced during the launch of the Tucson SUV in the Indian market. The newly launched SUV now becomes the brand's flagship SUV sold in the country. According to Hyundai, until last month the Creta registered more than 40,000 bookings. However, within just 14 days, the company has received 5,000 more bookings for the Creta this month. There are several reasons behind the SUV's success, but it is mainly due to the host of powertrain options that are available with Creta. Hyundai announced earlier that out of total booking received by the company, 55% of customers choose diesel powertrain. It indicates that the demand for diesel powertrain is very much present, even after the shift to stricter BS6 emission norms. In addition to this, the company is also offering the SUV with a turbo petrol engine mated to a DCT gearbox, which appeals to an enthusiast looking to purchase a mid-size SUV. The company is targeting a wider audience looking for a mid-size SUV in the Indian market because of multiple powertrain and trim level options. As a result, the Creta has emerged as the top-selling SUV in the country by registering 7,207 unit sales during June 2020. Another reason for the SUV's success is the company's end-to-end online retail program. Hyundai reports that the Creta is the most searched SUV on its click-to-buy digital online purchase platform. The Hyundai Creta rivals the Kia Seltos, the Tata Harrier, the MG Hector and the Jeep Compass among others in the Indian market. It retails at a starting price of Rs 9.99 lakh while the top-of-the-line variant costs Rs 17.2 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. The Creta is available in 14 different variants, 3 engine and transmission options. This includes the 1.5-litre petrol and diesel engines, and the 1.4-litre TGDI turbo petrol unit as well. All 3 engines will come mated to a standard 6-speed manual gearbox with an optional automatic transmission. The 1.5-litre petrol and diesel units come mated to a 6-speed IVT and torque converter unit respectively, while the 1.4-litre turbo petrol engine comes mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox. The Hyundai Creta comes packed with a host of features and powertrain options. Further, all the features, engine and transmission options have been sorted well with a wide range of trims. Maruti Suzuki is offering attractive discounts and benefits during this month on select models in the brand lineup. The discount offers include cash discounts, exchange bonuses, corporate discounts and free accessories. The total benefits of up to Rs 48,000 is being offered during July, and it varies depending on the model and variant. The offers are valid until July 31st, 2020. All eligible models except the Vitara Brezza receive accessories worth Rs 5,000. Here is a model-wise breakup of the discount offers for this month. Starting with the brand's entry-level hatchback, Maruti Alto 800 petrol and CNG models are being offered with total benefits of up to Rs 40,000. This includes Rs 18,000 cash discount, Rs 15,000 exchange bonus, Rs 2,000 corporate discount and accessories worth Rs 5,000. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio petrol and CNG models are offered with maximum discount of Rs 48,000 this month. It includes 30,000 cash discount, Rs 20,000 exchange bonus, Rs 3,000 corporate discount and accessories. The Maruti Eco MPV gets benefits of up to Rs 37,000. That includes Rs 10,000 worth cash discount. It also includes 20,000 exchange bonus, Rs 2,000 corporate discount and accessories. The brand's micro SUV Maruti Espresso is offered with benefits of up to Rs 43,000. It includes Rs 25,000 cash discount, 20,000 exchange bonus, Rs 3,000 corporate bonus and a couple of accessories worth Rs 5,000. The Maruti WagonR petrol and CNG models are offered with benefits of up to Rs 37,000 including Rs 5,000 worth accessories. This includes Rs 10,000 cash discounts, Rs 20,000 exchange bonus and Rs 2,000 corporate discount. The brand popular premium entry-level hatchback, the Maruti Suzuki Swift, is offered with benefits of up to Rs 37,000. This includes Rs 10,000 cash discounts, Rs 20,000 exchange bonus, Rs 2,000 corporate discount and accessories package. The same offer is also extended to the Maruti Dzire compact sedan. These offers are to attract customers during these difficult times. Piaggio has introduced a number of new vehicles in the Indian market, including the launch of the updated BS6 compliant Vespa SXL and VXL scooter range. The 2 new scooters are available in both 125cc and 150cc variants. The 4 new scooters from Vespa SXL 125, SXL 150, VXL 125 and VXL 150 are offered with a starting price of Rs 1.10 lakh for the SXL 125 model and go all the way to Rs 1.26 lakhs for the top spec VXL 150. The SXL 150 and the VXL 125 is priced at Rs 1.22 lakh and Rs 1.13 lakh respectively. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Bookings for the new BS6 compliant scooters were available online a few weeks ahead of its launch. Customers can further book the scooters at any of the company's official dealerships across India as well. However, Piaggio is offering customers who book their scooters online benefit of up to ₹2,000. Deliveries of the new BS6 compliant scooters are set to begin shortly. All 4 Vespa scooters come packed with a host of features and equipment. Some of these include crystal illumination, LED headlamps with integrated DRLs and high beam, LED boot light, USB mobile charging port, full steel body, and many others. The Vespa SXL 125 and VXL 125 scooters are powered by a 1.24.45cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It produces 9.7 bhp at 7,500 rpm and 9.60 Nm of peak torque at 5,500 rpm. Similarly, the Vespa SXL 150 and VXL 150 are powered by a 149cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It produces 10.30 bhp at 7,600 rpm and 10.6 Nm of peak torque at 5,500 rpm. All 4 scooters carry forward the same suspension setup. This includes a single side-arm suspension setup for the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear. Braking is handled by a single 200 mm disc at the front, supported by either single-channel ABS or a combi braking system. The Vespa SXL and VXL range of scooters are the brand's premium models in the Indian market. Both scooter ranges are available in both 125cc and 150cc variants in the country. The Vespa SXL and VXL rival the likes of the Suzuki Access 125 and Suzuki Berkman Street 125 in the segment. Piaggio, after updating the Vespa scooters to BS6, is busy launching Aprilia scooters. Piaggio has introduced the Aprilia Storm 125 BS6 scooter in the Indian market. The new Aprilia Storm 125 BS6 scooter now comes with disc brakes at the front, along with a host of new features, equipment, and other subtle changes. The Aprilia Storm 125 BS6 scooter is priced at ₹91,321 ex-showroom Pune. The scooter is one of the most popular models in the Indian 125cc premium scooter segment. The Aprilia Storm 125 continues to feature sharp lines with a sporty character that appeals to the younger audience in the country. The new BS6 compliant Aprilia 125 facelift now comes with a number of additional features which should make it more attractive in the market as well. Some of the main updates on the new scooter include the improved braking system with the presence of 200 mm ventilated disc at the front, supported by a combi braking system as standard. Other features also include the presence of a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED headlamps, slightly updated body graphics, vibrant paint schemes, large 12-inch alloy wheels and telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear. The new BS6 compliant scooter is powered by the same 124.45cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine which also powers the Vespa 125 range. The power and torque figures are also identical at 9.7 bhp and 9.60 Nm of peak torque. The Aprilia Storm 125 was one of the many products introduced by Piaggio in the Indian market at the same time. The Italian brand also introduced the Vespa SXL and VXL range of scooters alongside the Aprilia Storm 125. The Vespa SXL and VXL range are offered in both 125cc and 150cc variants and come with a slightly higher starting price of ₹1.10 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The Aprilia Storm 125 BS6 scooter is one of the most popular premium 125cc models in the segment. The Aprilia Storm 125 rivals the likes of the Suzuki Access 125 and the TVS Torque 125 in the segment. Hyundai India has officially launched the IMT Intelligent Manual Transmission on their compact SUV, the Venue, in the country. Alongside this, the Hyundai Venue now also comes with a brand new sport trim as well. Prices for the new Hyundai Venue models range from 9.99 lakh for the IMT equipped variant and goes up all the way to ₹11.58 lakh for the top spec sport trim model. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Starting off with the IMT, the new gearbox is available exclusively with the SUV's 1.0-litre TGDI petrol engine. The Hyundai Venue IMT is offered on the 2 top-spec variants, SX and SX optional. Prices for the IMT-equipped variants start at ₹9.99 lakh for the SX and 11.08 lakh for the SXO trim. All prices are ex-showroom India. The IMT gearbox on the Hyundai Venue combines the performance from a manual transmission with the ease of a 2-pedal transmission. The IMT is the country's first clutch pedal-free manual transmission. The 6-speed manual transmission unit features an electromechanically actuated clutch offering seamless gear shifts. The new transmission system is paired with the brand's powerful 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine. The recently updated BS6 compliant engine produces 120 bhp and 170 Nm of peak torque. With the addition of the new gearbox, the turbo petrol engine on the Hyundai Venue now comes with the choice of two transmission units, the IMD and the 7-speed DCT as well. The new Hyundai Venue Sport trim has been introduced alongside with the IMT transmission on the compact SUV. The new Sport trim is offered in three variants, SX, SX Plus and SXO. The SX and SX optional variants of the Venue Sport trim come powered by petrol and diesel engine options. This includes the 1.0-liter turbo petrol mated to the new IMT transmission and the 1.5-liter diesel unit paired with a standard 6-speed manual gearbox. The mid-specs SX Plus variant of the Venue Sport trim comes with a single turbo petrol engine option mated to the 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. Other exterior cosmetic updates include a dark grey front bumper, garnish and roof rail sport emblem. Inside the new Hyundai Venue Sport trim features a metal pedals, flat bottom steering wheel with red stitching along with a number of dark grey and red inserts similar to the outside. The SX Plus trim on the new variant with the 7DCT now features paddle shifters as well. The Hyundai Venue is one of the most popular compact SUV offerings in the Indian market, having received an overwhelming response since the time of its launch. Hyundai has just made the Venue even more attractive than it already was with the introduction of the new IMT and Sport trim. TVS Motor Company has launched the BS6 compliant Zest 110cc in the Indian market. The new TVS Zest 110 BS6 scooter is offered with a starting price of Rs 58,640 ex-showroom Chennai. The TVS Zest 110 BS6 is available in range of two variants, Himalayan High Series and Matte Series. Both variants are powered by an updated version of the same 109cc single-cylinder engine producing 7.7 bhp and 8.8 Nm of peak torque. Compared to its BS4 model, the new Zest 110 BS6 scooter comes with a slight increase in torque, 8.4 Nm on the BS4 version, while power figures remain identical. The new BS6 engine on the TVS Zest 110 now also comes with the brand's EcoThrust fuel injection system. This ensures a more refined, efficient and smoother engine with improved performance as well. In terms of design, the TVS Zest 110 BS6 carries forward mostly the same styling with little to no changes at all. The BS6 compliant Zest 110 also uses the same set of brakes, suspension and frame as its previous versions. The TVS Zest 110 BS6 uses telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock suspension setup at the back, while the scooter comes with a 110mm and 130mm drum brakes at the front and rear respectively. The TVS Zest 110 BS6 though does pack a number of features as well. This includes the segment-leading boot capacity of 19 liters. Other features include LED headlamps with LED DRLs, LED tail lights and tubeless tires among others. The new TVS Zest 110 BS6 scooter is offered in a range of 6 vibrant colors: red, blue, turquoise blue, yellow, black and yellow. The TVS Zest 110 is one of the brand's entry-level scooter offerings in the Indian market. It is also the final product from TVS to receive the BS6 update as well.